my name is Sam and I'm the teen librarian at Bay County Public Library. We'll be making Mars Rice Krispie treats in this video. Why treats that look like the planet Mars, you ask? Because NASA has launched a new rover that is scheduled to land on February 18th, 2021 on Mars. Here are the ingredients that are required. 3 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, 3 cups of marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, and red food coloring. Okay, so before you get started, make sure you wash your hands with water and soap. So let's talk about butter. So we're going to need butter. That's going to be the first ingredient we're going to melt in the pan. So we said we need 3 tablespoons. So if you look closely, 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. So you can actually cut off the butter right here, and this chunk will be 3 tablespoons. Okay, so we're going to put the butter in to the pan, and we're going to turn on the heat low to medium. And we're going to melt this butter. Okay, so we've melted our butter, and now we're going to add 3 cups of marshmallow. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we're going to stir and stir until all of this marshmallow melts. Okay, now that this is melted, we're going to take it off the heat. And this is where we add the food coloring. Okay, so you might want to put quite a bit of red in there, because otherwise it might be pink. Okay, I'm putting quite a lot of red. Alright, you can see I put quite a bit in there. I'm going to stir. Stir, stir, stir. Still looking kind of pink. I may have to add more. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Alright, that looks pretty good. So let's add in 3 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Set this to the side. So we got 1, 2, 3. Try to make sure it's even to the top of the measuring cup. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is stir all of this together until all of the Rice Krispie treat cereals is covered. You want it all to be covered in marshmallow and reddish. Really get in there. This is why I like to use a rubber spatula for this, because I can kind of fold it in. Really get it in there. And once you're done stirring, you're going to let it cool just a little bit, not a lot. Just enough that you can touch it without hurting yourself. Okay, so we've let the Rice Krispie treat cool just a little bit. Just enough so you don't burn your hands, but you don't want it to form into just a big lump, so don't let it cool too much. And I have a tray to put it on. This is just a cookie sheet with wax paper. So what we're going to do is, this is going to stick to your hands. Make sure you've washed your hands first. You can use butter, or I'm going to use a little bit of cooking spray. And I'm just going to spread it on my hands so that it doesn't stick to my hands too bad, because what I'm going to do is form little balls, so they're going to be planets. I'm just going to get a handful. You can make them whatever size you want. Okay, you know what? I've got a little Mars-shaped Rice Krispie treat. And I'm going to turn all the rest of this into treats. So please stay tuned for some fun Mars facts. Thank you for joining us for some facts about the planet Mars. If you'd like to learn more facts, you can go to NASA's website, which is www.nasa.gov. Fact number 1. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It's around 142 million miles, or 228 million kilometers, from the Sun. Fact number 2. Mars is smaller than Earth. NASA says that if Earth was the size of a United States dime, Mars would be an aspirin. Fact number 3. Mars is called the red planet because iron minerals in the soil rust, giving it that red color. Fact number 4. You couldn't breathe on Mars. It has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, argon, and nitrogen. There is only a small amount of oxygen. Fact number 5. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. The planet has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the god's sons. Perseverance. Perseverance is a rover, which is a type of robot that is planned to land on Mars on February 18, 2021. Like other rovers before it, it will explore the planet. Scientists believe that Mars at one time had running water and a warmer environment, though today it is a cold desert world, and the goal of Perseverance is to search for signs of ancient microbial life on Mars. It is also carrying instruments that will help scientists plan future human missions to other planets, not to mention many cameras so we can all experience its exploration together. Watch NASA's landing footage on February 18th, 2021. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe.